drums out here tonight and this weekend. All these drums were sounding so deadly, like goosebumps deadly all weekend long. So with that, thank you, Alphonse. Hobie in 10th place with 2,639 points. Kozad winning $4,000.
Voilà, 10e place.
Non, c'est quoi 10e place?
In 9th place with 2,702 points, winning $5,000, Blackstone.
I apologize for the interruption. Hey, young kids, we're going to kindly ask you to please sit down, clear the dancing area there, kids. We're in the process of our presentation, so moms and dads, come and help us out. Let's clear the dancing area. All the children go and sit to the side. All right, go ahead.
In 8th place with 2,729 points, winning $6,000, Leading Arrow.
Sorry.
In 7th place with 2,747 points, winning $7,000, Greek Confederation. In 6th place with 2,768 points, winning $8,000, Black Otter.
Il y a beaucoup de black, hein?
In 5th place with 2,790 points, winning $9,000, Bear Creek.
Come on.
In 4th place with 2,806 points, winning $10,000, Northern Cree. In 3rd place with 2,813 points, winning $20,000, Bullhorn.
Black Bear for sure when I had it. Black Bear.
In 2nd place with 2,822 points, winning $30,000, Descendants. Goosebumps, drums all weekend long. Oh my goodness, thank you.
Allez, mon top pleureur. 40 $000.
Congratulations to Black Bear, your champions. 2025, nice Pow-Wow celebration. All right, as the young groups, the singers, make their way through with the acknowledgements to the head table. Wait a few minutes here. Then I'll move forward and we'll call up all of our winners. And the senior adult, junior adult. Yep, for sure, you betcha.
First place, Black Bear Singers. Go, Hawks, go!
Drums brought that beautiful sound to our Pow-Wow circle here this weekend.
Yes, Blackbird first
Very
carry.
tough competition all weekend long.
Commit left, Blackbird.
Tough competition. High caliber singing here at our Pow-Wow celebration. Oh, man, we were very blessed to be a part of this Pow-Wow circle here this weekend. Had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun, eh, Hal? One hell of a weekend. Sharing it with each and every one of you. Yep. Going to allow a few minutes for the acknowledgements to be carried out here before we go ahead and call our winners in the dancing categories. Right now, we're calling forward our overcomers. Good sound all weekend long. And also, certainly a pleasure to work alongside my brothers over here, Hal, Sheldon, Googie, Alphonse. Our tabulators did a fantastic job helping us through our point system competition and the point system process that is also always an important part of our Pow-Wow celebrations. Wherever we go, we depend on our tabulators to carry out a fair process. A lot of singers. Yeah, those of you that are going to travel tonight, those of you that are going to be on the road, please take care, take your time going home. Some of you are going to be hanging around for the evening and making your journey back home to your home fires. So take care on the roads there, Pow-Wow families. Take care of your families, and hope you all had a wonderful time here at the nice Pow-Wow. Hope you made new friends and established new relationships with beautiful Pow-Wow people. It's one of the beauties of going to Pow-Wow, man. You make new friends, reconnect with people you haven't seen in a long time.
Merci d'être venu.
Non, mais c'est quand même
C'est pareil. Comme je dis, on savait pas.